Okay, if you are about to watch this video now, please subscribe now. Subscribe now. In this video, I'm going to show you how to promote your Facebook page. How to promote your Facebook page and add money to it. All right. Without wasting much time, let's go there. So let's switch to the page. Click on that place to switch to your page. At least at this moment, you should know how to switch to page. Let me just click on any of my page so I can switch to that page. It's telling me switch. I'm switching to the page I want to promote. All right, why I'm using a phone is so that you will actually, it won't be as if I edited anything. You'll see everything directly the way it is. All right, so let me go to my page. I'll click on this icon here, my icon logo, to switch my page. All right, I will teach you some things right now. If your target is to promote your page, like I said, your page, just come here. This place they wrote advertise. Click on advertise. Now there are a lot of things you want to advertise. Now if you watch, the first one said boost a post, create a new ad, this one said get with automated ads. Okay, so let's look at next one here. Say manage. So this is that if you already have existing ad, you can manage them here. So let's go under create. Now what we want to do is to promote our Facebook page. Okay, so here you can see, let's read what is there. Boost a post, jobs or events from Facebook, Instagram, whatever. You get, look at it. The next one said make an ad using text, photos, videos, promote your business. Okay, let's click on each of them to know what we have inside of there. Now you see there are different posts that are here we can boost. We're not here to post a boost. We'll go back. Next one is create a new ad. Now what is the goal of the ad? That's where you see things like automated, get more page visits. If you want people to visit your page more. Next one is get more website visit. Next one is get more messages, get more calls. Should I explain this way? Okay, let me explain to you so that you understand more. This one said get more. Okay, automatically the ad will select what to do. It can do more than multiple. You can get both message and inbox. So the next one will be get more page visits. If you want people to visit your page, you get, so say show your ad to people who are likely to visit and follow your page. The next one say get more website visits. If you want to put a website, you have a website, you want people to visit your website. If you put in here, you are going to add your website link. That's why you should show your ad to people who are likely to click on a URL in it. That's the website link in it. Next one is get more messages, and then get more calls. If it's a business and you want to, likely to, maybe you are selling clothes, want people to call you, you use that one. Get more calls. That's show your ads to people who are likely to call your business. Show your customer base. Use a form to collect contact. So that's if you want people to actually feel contact part of your business, you can get a contact. Let me go for that one that shows. Look at this one that shares the get more page visits. So let's click on it. Yes, because what we're promoting is our page. Look at it now. Get more page visits. So our page, choose the action that you want to. So people are going to visit our page. So next one is special ad category about financial products. It's not that, so I'm not going to check this, so we'll leave it like that. Next one is advantage plus audience. You get, so you can automatically create people. If you want, if you're in Nigeria or you're in UK, you are in any part of the country and you want to be able to, you want this ad to focus on some certain areas in your location, please choose the location. I have many locations here I've selected. Let me see. During campaign, I was able to create some certain locations for people that want political ads. So I created some of these things. Said major cities for P2B, and if you click on this now, you will see states like Lagos, Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, Ogun State. These are where major states for P2B, where I feel like P2B were actually doing well that year. So when I created the ad, what's the age rate? I said I chose the age rate between 18 to 65 above. What's the interest? People interested in church, whatever, music and stuff. Now I can actually use this for another person, for other people, for another purpose. So if my interest is political, I can actually change this into political. only political interest, people that have interest in politics. You get it? So I can click on to see all. You see everything that I've actually done. You see all the advantages and stuff like that here. So these are people in your local area. So I created people that are Anambra and stuff like Nigeria, different things, Lagos, Abuja, Anambra. So you can on your own film audience. So you can on your own create the audience you want by clicking on creating new audience from here now. So you can save this your audience form. Once you say create new audience from here, you have to choose by editing this icon here. You can now choose the audience you want. You can write the name, maybe change this name to something else. I'm trying to make this thing as short as possible, but I'm at the same time trying to teach you what you need to know. So you can, if you're into social media, maybe Facebook, whatever, you can tell yourself this is a Facebook Facebook fan. Maybe Facebook fan. Let's say Facebook fan. Now you know why you write on Facebook fan. Something where you say you go. Remember, choose the age bracket you want, and then choose the state location you want. You can see they have multiple days. So Ogun State, Benue State. So it depends on where you're from. If you are in Anambra State, no, or you are from Lagos State, or from Ogun State, or from Kano State, make sure you select places that your ad you want people to follow your page. It's very, very, very important. When you are done, you save. Click on save and save. Then when you're done, you can select your gender, interest. If your interest is maybe if your content is about music or anything, I think when I was doing this, it's about people that are into music. So if your interest is about music or any other interest, make sure you select your interest here. This interest will enable you so that people, let's say some people like us now, we may like comedy. So you have to put comedy as interest, or art and music, or concert, event, entertainment. You get some of all these things, you need to put them. If you are people that are into relationship, whatever, you select relationship. If it's family and everything, you need to select, know what you're selecting for fitness, well, food and drink, people that like eating, hobbies and activities. So these are different things you need to select. This will narrow, it will narrow your audience down so that you understand what you're doing. People that who need you more. Let's say very soon now in Nigeria, politics will start kicking off very soon. By next year, maybe 2026, the campaign will start and stuff like that. So if you're doing a political ad, you need to be able to put politics, people that love politics. Having said that, let's go back. So once you're that, you click on save on top of here, and you see that. And then your audience invalid target space, the specified target space is not valid because invalid data for geolocation, valid target, whatever. Okay, cancel. Let's go back and check again and see what the audience is all about. The audience is this and that. What do we have? Okay, let me just change this to maybe let me just write Nigeria instead of just, let me just say Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria is okay. So other things will leave because every other thing I did here is in Nigeria. Now save. You get, and I think okay, your audience size is too broad. Narrow your audience to reach people interested in your business. That's where the interest comes in when it comes to narrowing your audience. But I'm using, don't forget, I'm using Nigeria. Let me save this to Nigeria audience. Nigeria. Let me use that on Nigeria, and I will save. And I'm saved. I'm done. So once, sorry, I mistakenly pressed something. So once I'm done here, I'll come to the promotion aspect. And here I will just click on how many days do I want to run the ad. You can run the ad for complete 1 day. The list price from here you can see is 1,800 naira. I'll take it to 1,800 naira. I'll choose the days I want it to be. I'll choose that. Let me say for 2 days. And then under payment, I don't have money. You have 0 remaining in your wallet. I don't have money again. So because of you, I'll be adding money. Yes, I'll be adding money. I'll be adding 3,000 or more into my account. So after this, I will say, let me click on add fund. So it'll be easier for me. Let me click on add fund. If you don't have money, if you click on promote, it will still tell you to add money. But right now, let me just show you to add money. This thing should tap. I don't know what is wrong with. Okay, let me just click on promote. It will still ask me to add money. Why are they putting the add money there? when they know that they cannot push me to add money. All right, look at this. This is my major focus now. Okay, so you can still add money by transfer using Naira. You can still add money by debit card. Please, if you are in Nigeria, leave debit card alone. One, use leave pay by USD. It can still work for you, but please, you can go for pay by bank transfer or pay in Naira with Visa card. Again, let me go for that. Pay in Naira with Visa card. I will still do a video for you on how to pay with how to pay with transfer. All right, through this. But I want to pay in. Let me release the money to. Let me just pay in 3K. So that my next video I will do under 3K. So make sure you watch the video completely. All right, I'm paying 3K with this. I will say enter. Next. Don't forget, I'm using pay in Naira with Visa card. Now it will redirect me to a third party where I can continue. From here now I can continue. Look at what you're saying. It's saying pay you. I say continue. So I'll continue with it. Alright, so it said instant, you can see instant account transfer. Card. Do you have a card? You can, if you use this one now, they will tell you what to do. But for now I'm doing it for people that has card. Let's go for people that have card. You get now. So let me click and put my details. I think my details are already. Are they here already? Okay. Let me pay. Don't forget, I just want to put my things and then I'll click on pay. It's authenticating. I may actually block the place I put my IDs, my bank, whatever. So this Zenith Bank is going to ask you to generate soft token. I'll pause here and I don't have money to transfer account. I'll transfer money to this account and then I'll finish it up. All right. Okay, now I mistakenly click. It's telling me if you send me a code to verify. You get, so I don't have money in that account, but I'm going to, but they'll still send me the code. Evelyn, look at, they have sent me a code to verify. You understand? But before I do that, let me send money to the account. All right, once I put it, everything will be done. Hold on. All right, so guys, I'm done transferring the money. Let me put the code they sent to me. Let me confirm the code again. Okay, 601157. 601157. Once you do that, you proceed. Now let's see what comes up. You can see. I don't want to save it. They say your transaction was successful. Okay, so if you believe in this process, please take time and go through this video. Okay. That's also. Let's go back to Facebook and confirm if our money was actually sent to our Facebook. We click on this. Now watch now. If you watch, look at it. Before we used to have 0 Naira, now we have 2,900 and something, and they debited me, and I can see this debit alert. Okay, so this is how we did it. So guys, in my next video I'm going to show you how to do using your transfer, normal transfer, to pay Facebook adverts. All right, thank you so much and God bless you for joining. Please do subscribe and share this video.